Come along with us as we camp at Trail State Park in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Our son and daughter-in-law came along and camped in the Tramper. We have made it to the campground. This is our site. This is Trail State Park. Very pretty out here. Oh, okay. So Papa's going to lower the car. This is awesome. There it goes. So that helps. That's a Lexus 570, and we love it for pulling our Casita. Woo! Yep. That's what's called loud, folks. Oh, we got a barge coming. Going up the river. Probably can't see it from here. The cottonwood trees are dropping all these crunchy, dried up leaves. I'm kind of glad they're done doing their thing because I'm allergic to them. There's my son and daughter-in-law way over there with the tent. We're just doing a little fun one-night camp. You can hear the cicadas. It's going to be loud tonight. That's quick. This stowaway was an added addition to our camper, and we love it. However, not long after we got it, it did fall off in the campground. Thank God, and it wasn't on the interstate in Little Rock. It fell off in the campground before we got there. And we ended up going back, and all our boys had to pick it up and put it on top of our 4Runner. That's what we were pulling it with. And it's quite heavy, but we were so thankful that it didn't come off on the interstate and hurt somebody. So that was a blessing. But my husband's repaired it now, and it works great. Come in here. I'm gonna have to change the setting. Papa's getting the fan going. Want to tell them about our new air conditioner?
Oh, we had a new air conditioner put in. It's actually a heat pump, so it works like a mini split. Runs off remote control. It doesn't take it starts at 0 amps and then ramps up as it starts, so you can start it with. It'll run this air conditioner on a fairly small generator. We've got a generator from when we go out west that'll run on our propane tanks to power our air conditioner. So it uses a lot less power, and it's a real nice unit so far. I like it quite a bit.
And it's quiet.
It's quiet.
And it changes colors,
yeah,
which is quite fun. It has a remote. So that's the remote.
Here's the lights.
Yeah, it says blue. Ooh, blue. Darker blue, green. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And it tells you the temperature right there. Is that the temp or what?
That's what it's going down to, 67.
67, okay.
And then it'll it'll flash what the temperature is currently.
Yeah. So
77 in here right now.
if you watched our videos from camping in Branson, our air conditioner broke 2 nights before we were supposed to leave, but we made it. My husband was blessed to know a man that knows how to do this, and we had this installed, and it was $2,000. But we're excited because it's been kind of finicky on and off ever since we've owned this Casita. So we're happy to have a new air conditioner. It was worth every penny. So the camper's a little bit of in a disarray. I am going to get off here and get it straightened up. I wanted to show you, I keep one of these little netted bags. I think I keep a couple in here in the camper. We put our dirty clothes in there, and then when we're done, I can also strip the sheets and put them in there. And then after I wash them, I just stick them in here. And if I don't feel like making up the beds right away, I can do it at the campground. But I did make the beds. I just have towels and pillowcases. I need to put pillowcases on the pillows. Okay, I've tidied up the camper. Doesn't take much. Oh, put the chips away. So these little cabinets up here are pretty handy. Got some games, a game up there. But typically put a bag of chips up there. Is that gonna work? Oh, there we go. I made it without crunching the chips. There's that. Up here in this one, we have these awesome bags from 31. And when you're on a short trip, or even on a long trip, if you just put your undergarments in there, and pajamas is plenty. Got our TV. We are going to be updating the TV. We do have Starlink, which is something new that we just purchased, and you only have to pay for it the months that you're using it, but you do have to buy the equipment to set it up. I will be taking this outside. It will go on a cook table, and then there's a closet. It's dark over here. Got the bathroom ready. I treated the toilet, and then we can shower in there. Like, I don't mind showering in there. And then this is our closet. Put this little shoe holder up, and it holds things. And there's plenty of room in here to hang clothes. We also like to hang them in the back of our Lexus too. We have a rod that we put. Anyway, all right. Got a little candle. That's not for in here. That's for outside. Ready to go. So these are the sconces Papa hung up. And it makes the world a difference back here at this end of the camper here. Yeah, we're really happy with it. So you can lay there and read a book now and just have some light. Those just simply lift up and remove to charge. We did take them down for traveling. Over there's about 6 or 7 campers that have water and sewer. You can see it sticking up there by the fence line there. But over here on our side, we just have electricity. So we stopped down there and filled up with water. All right, so here's a little potty close to the campsite you can use. They do have a really nice bathhouse. So these train tracks are right here behind the campers. So if you're on the riverside, this train comes through a lot and it's really loud, but it's part of the experience. That's for sure. I feel like they've upgraded this little concrete part and made it a little nicer since we were here last. All right, here we are, camping on the mighty Mississippi. Got some fishermen down there. Probably maybe catch some catfish in there. Feels amazing. There's a beautiful breeze. Yeah. This is a nice place to camp because you can watch the barges go up and down, and the kids get excited about the train, and There's not a lot of traffic here, so young children can ride their bike through the campground without really any worries. There's also a visitor center on your way in here, which is a great place to take the kids. They have some neat displays and little activities in there, and a little video to watch too. So that's site 19. So there's only 19 campsites in here, y'all. That's not a lot. So we got lucky. We did this at the last minute and got the last 2 sites. Papa's in here being the best.
Good morning.
So he's making sausage. Yum. This is his buckboard bacon. So he vacuum packs it and it looks like this. Yeah. How did you learn how to do the buckboard bacon, Papa?
Internet.
YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube for sure.
Yeah.
Just decided I wanted to try to make my own bacon.
So honestly, I bought it for the poppers, but we just really don't buy bacon anymore. We just eat this, which I think is healthier. Doesn't have all the preservatives in it and whatnot.
Yeah, not much to it. Salt, sugar, pepper. Cure it for 2 weeks and vacuum seal the bag and smoke it for about 4 hours, and then on a pellet grill, slice it up.
And when you, it is in the refrigerator for the 2 weeks. Why?
It stays cold. It's called, I think it's a cold cure, but you vacuum seal it. You don't have to turn it every day. You can do it in Ziploc bags, but you got to turn it every day.
Oh, okay.
Keep the juice moving around in there so it gets cured.
That makes sense. So anyway, we love this stuff and we give it to people as gifts too, and they love it. Everybody wants some. It is a glorious morning out here.
It's not water.
Don't wake up and drink it.
If you wanted to drink it, you could.
Oh, gross. But some people do. I think this is going to work fabulously. Got that good grease in there from the bacon.
There you go. Salt
And that was 2 packs of bacon, so it's really not that greasy.
No. It's sausage too.
Yeah, that looks beautiful. Those are going to be good. The train is coming. So fun. They came through a couple of times during the night. I wanted to show you the pan. So it fits in the little grooves here, and I got the biscuits in there that I've already cooked. They're just warming. This is a little Farberware oven, and it works fantastic. We cooked a full-size pizza in there last night, like out of the freezer. All right, folks, that is a wrap. Papa's fixing to load up the camper. This has been the best camp weekend. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you see how the breeze is blowing from the trees behind me, maybe my hair? It feels so good out here. We picked the best time to go camping. I hope you enjoyed getting a glimpse of it. This is Trailatier State Park in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. There's Henry. Henry has gotten into a sticker plant, and he has wads of stickers all in his hair, his nose, and I'm really dreading trying to get it out. Henry, have you had fun camping? Hey, Henry. Hey, Henry, have you had fun camping? Yes, have you had fun? Yeah. Works good. This is where it gets tricky, where you barely got to move up, like just a hair. He's so good at it. I would have totally move that way more forward than that. So he just raised the car back up. That is so cool. Alright, that's a wrap, folks. Thank you for watching Mazes on the Move. Please like and subscribe.